Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can delete recent call history on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. And first of all, open the Calls app on your phone. Then go to the last one. So you'll see all of your calls, all of your call history. And in order to delete them, you can use a couple of ways. The first one, just swipe from the right side to the left. So you'll see a trash can sign, and you just click on it and instantly one of the calls is deleted. Or you can click in the top left corner, Edit, select, and then you just click on minus, and then again on the trash can sign. This way, you will be deleting all the calls you have in this list. Also, if you click on the top right side of Clear all calls, so you instantly clear absolutely all of your call history. Friends, these are the simple ways you can delete your recent call history on iPhone. I really hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.